All right, I have a cool little drone here for you. This is the Ameta S20 Lite. It comes in around 100 bucks, which makes it a really simple, good beginner drone. We're going to take a bunch of photos and videos with it and show you how it works. This thing is super, super light. Let's open it up and I'm going to take you right through. I've already done this once at home, so hopefully things will go well. And then I had to go back and charge the batteries, but I wanted to have a little bit of experience with it, but not a ton, so that when I show it to you, it is kind of learning it together as we go along. Now, I'm used to flying drones, so it's not a foreign thing to me to fly drones, so I do have some experience, but I love these beginner ones because it just gives such a great way for people to get into a hobby that's amazing. I absolutely love drone flying. So let's go. Let's turn this guy on. All right. And then our case over there. Now we're in a bit of a wooded spot right here. We're going to fly it here first, but then we're going to take it out and go super high with it. Now, what I don't remember is that, oh, I do need to get an SD card. Let's do that. Let's go ahead and put our SD card in so that we're able to record while flying. Has a battery off the back here, and then it comes with a second battery as well. And there's your 4K lens camera on the front there. And it's just like I said, it's super, super light. You turn it on from this top button. Oh, things are happening. Okay, let's go ahead and hit connect. And yeah, we're flying this guy. Go to connect. There he is, the S20 Lite. Now they have the next advanced level up if you wanted to really get into heavy droning, but this one's so fun for just starting out. All right, so now you can see that we've got our camera on there and we're able to control whether we are taking photos or video. There's a photo, and now we are filming. And then we can also, whoops, zoom up and down with this right here. But let's go ahead and take off, fly it out there just a little bit. Took me a second there. I had to look up how to start it. I forgot. Sometimes you just do controls, but with this one, you hold this down. Now it's going to shoot up 5 feet, 4 or 5 feet right when it starts, and I'll try to bring it back down and into our space once we get it going. But let's get it up in the air. There we go, we got it hovering straight out there. I think you can see it out there. When it took off, I flew it right behind us, which was a little weird. But now we've got her hovering pretty good there. I think you can see me on the screen. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut to camera mode and start recording. All right, now we're recording me. Let's see how we do with this. So there it is, flying in, and we can control flying back. It's pretty cool. Go up. A lot of different controls for being able to fly. This is currently on 5G, and I find it really easy to fly around. Pretty fun. We're gonna turn it, make you sick if I go to that, but what's nice about this, I realize, is that if it loses a little bit of something, so if it loses a little bit of, like, you can fly right, left, up, down, you can hit stop, and it freezes it right where you are at, which is pretty cool. But let's go ahead and back this up, go up a little bit, and we're gonna take a photo instead. Let's go ahead and take a photo, and I'll show you the quality of the photo. And then we're gonna go out and get this thing way up in the air and see if we don't lose it. But I'm in these trees and I'm not crashing, which is pretty darn cool. And she is flying quite a bit up there. Let's try to get a picture, huh? let's go ahead and we'll back it up, back it up. There we go. So as you can see, that is the little drone that is incredibly affordable and a lot of fun to fly. That's it right there. So if you want one, I put a link down below so you can check one out yourself.